What is local structured data? With local structured data, there are required pieces of information that you must put on your website and some optional pieces of information. The required pieces of information are your @ID, the globally unique ID of the specific business in the form of a URL, the name of the business, the address, including the street, city, state, zip code, and country, and also an image. You should also add the phone number as well, even though it's not always required. Now, your name, address, and phone number is known as your NAP. N for name, A for address, P for your phone number. Now, along with your NAP, there is a list of other information that you can put on your website that search engines will read and understand. Here's a couple. Longitude and latitude, logo, your service areas, services offered, hours of operation, your menu, if you have a menu, your aggregated rating, the department, if you serve cuisine, a price range, in other words, how many dollar signs, you've seen that symbol before, and what kind of payments are accepted. I know I said a couple, I know it's more than a couple, but still, those are many things that you can add to that.